Hey, this is GMagic13 and I'm here for my second magic video. Today I'm going to be doing a trick. Well, actually I don't even know what the name of the trick is, but I wanted to show you because I thought it was pretty neat. Okay? Now, I'll have my spectators select any card. Okay? Show the camera. I don't want to see it. Okay? Show the camera and show any spectators around. Okay?
Okay.
Now, I want you to place it about right here. Okay, I want you to see this is your card.
I gotcha.
Going right here.
Okay.
Okay? Now if I take your card, okay, if I take the whole deck and I just snap like that, look. Is this your card?
Yes.
Your card jumps back to the top. Okay? Now if I place it right there once more, okay, and I just go like this, see? Look, your card jumps back to the top again. Okay? Now if I were to put it back in the deck somewhere, most people say, like, how long they think it would take me to find their card. If I take your card, okay, and I stick it right here into the middle, okay, I want you to push it in the rest of the way. So it's fair that that's going right into the middle. And I'm not holding the deck any special way, any breaks or anything. You see, if I just snap my fingers, your card jumps back to the top again. Okay? That's what I like to call the elevator pass. And post comments, and I'll be posting more videos.